Welcome to our garage. Today the M2 is going to get springs and spacers. We're going to try to fix this gap issue. I just don't like that gap. So it's going to be interesting to see the before and after. We're getting a KW Haas system with 15 millimeter in the front, 12 millimeter spacers in the back. What I'm hoping to do is turn this 3-finger gap into about a 2-finger gap. So maybe about 3/4 of an inch to an inch drop, and pull the wheels out a little bit so we'll get a little better flush look there. So you can see the fenders are out quite a bit further than the wheels right now. I'll show you the after when it's done. All right, welcome back. The car has been fitted with the KW Haas appearance package. As you can see, it has been lowered. And remember before we had a 3-finger gap. Now we've got maybe one and a half, I would say, about 1.5 in there, which I think is good. And then on the back, about almost a 2-finger, a little bit more in the back. And then the look flush with the 12 millimeter spacers in the back and the 15 in the front. You see that wheel comes out a lot better. More even with the fender than it is stock. I really think it looks good. I like this setup, and the drive home was great. I'd say on the straight, just over normal bumps, it rides a lot like stock, maybe even a little better, but around the corners and curves, it just stays a little flatter, which is what you want, I think. And then we got the red reflector in the back, replaced with the horizontal slotted piece that's black to match. And there is an option to have like a honeycomb piece, but I thought this one would look better than the honeycomb. And that's on both sides. And then on the front, we have the color matched reflector replacement here too. So yeah. Turned out really well, I think. I'm pleased. I'm glad we did it. The ride was the one thing that I was most worried about. I've never lowered a car before. I was really concerned that it would be a little too bouncy, but I didn't experience that at all on my first drive. So I'm excited about it. I think it's just improving the handling is all it's doing, as well as the look. I know I've been a little lax on videos, or a lot lax. I haven't done any since really Christmas, but that's going to change soon. Next month we have the Shelby Mountain Run, where about 120 GT350s and GT500s spend 4 days driving through the mountains. So I plan to take the GoPro and try to get some good video of that, and I'll be posting. Also, I still have the video that I made of buffing, polishing, ceramic coating the Shelby and the M2, which I haven't edited yet. I need to do that and get that up as well. So I do have more content to come. Just had a little break, and then I'll get back into it. Thanks for watching.